In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your settings in OBS Studio for the best performance. Whether you're a streamer, a content creator, or someone who frequently records their screen, ensuring that OBS Studio runs smoothly can make all the difference in the quality of your recordings and streams. Let's dive right into it, starting with the basics. First, open up your OBS Studio application. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure you download the latest version from the official OBS website. Installation is straightforward, but getting the optimal settings can truly enhance your experience. Once you have OBS up and running, locate the Settings option. This is usually found at the bottom right of the application interface. Clicking on this will take you into a menu where you'll find various options to tweak and tailor OBS to your specific needs. Now, within the Settings menu, head over to the Advanced section. Here, you'll discover a plethora of settings that control different aspects of OBS's functionality. Today, our focus will be on adjusting the process priority. This is a crucial setting that determines how much of your computer's resources OBS Studio is given compared to other open programs. By default, OBS might be set to a lower priority, which can sometimes lead to laggy streams or recordings, particularly if your computer is multitasking with other demanding applications. In the Process Priority drop-down menu, you'd want to choose either Above Normal or High. Setting it to Above Normal is a safe bet if you are running multiple applications, as it allows OBS to have a solid footing without overshadowing other tasks. Choosing High is ideal if you want OBS to take even more precedence, which is useful if you're running a single session task primarily focused on recording or streaming. Remember, changing the process priority affects how your operating system allocates resources. So if you notice other applications slowing down significantly, you might want to experiment with these settings to strike the perfect balance for your setup. And that's it. You've now successfully optimized your OBS Studio for better performance. This small adjustment can drastically reduce dropped frames and improve stream and recording smoothness, especially if you're also running other software concurrently. As you experiment, keep in mind that other settings in the Advanced tab could further enhance your setup, but adjusting the process priority is an excellent starting point that yields significant improvements. I hope you found this guide helpful and that your streaming or recording endeavors are now much smoother. Feel free to explore and learn more about OBS Studio and its myriad features. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time.